Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Vibe Hoodie Shop. So as you can see, we have it here on the website. So if you don't know what they do, is what they sell shirts and hoodies that have unique designs. So as you can see right here, so their designs are a bit trippy and a bit surreal. So as you can see, we have it here on the website, and they do cost a lot of money. As you can see, $55, $60, and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this website is legit or not, you have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 4.0 out of 5 stars with 201 ratings. So let's read some reviews here. Very happy. Husband loves it. Would recommend. I wouldn't buy clothing from this site. I would save your money. Get the same quality from Temu. So it is dropship items. Great quality, great products, great prices. They don't reply to orders about shipping. Great products, deliver promptly with easy tracking. Kept information about product arrival. Great looking shirt, and list goes on. So there are a lot of positive people saying that it is really good. However, the 1 stars are saying that it is very cheap and poor customer service. So do take that into consideration before actually buying from this company. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.